guys, we just bought a house.
I seen another day, seen another breath, and I.
Come and see. Okay, let me just show you the material, ne? The building material. This is our cement, ne? And then these are our door frames, and then obviously the pipes here, and then let's come. Don't be shy, come. Our seats, ne? Toilet seats. And they're gonna be two, obviously, because it's gonna be two, ain't. So this one is for the other room, and then this two is also for the other room, ne? And then these are the paints, ne? The base coat and also the paint, and then here, these are the building materials, and then the doors, ne? 1, 2, 3 doors, ne? Now let me show you the space that we're gonna be working on, ne? This is the whole space. This is our whole space, guys. Guys, let me tell you this, ne? This was a church, so njengoba ningibona apha ndine-football petty. Ndizoske ndishumayele. Uwadam, athixo enyuka, wathi uthixo ntombazana, sekuleyithi ngoku ngenxa yexesha yakha. Yayiva, bazalwane mandiyibambe, mandingonyuki, bazalwane mandiyibambe. Okay, so this is gonna be room number 1, and also this is gonna be room number 2, ne? They're not gonna share anything. Own bathroom, own bedroom, own kitchen. So the second kitchen is still in the makeable, say in the progress. So come and see the one that is already done. Come, don't be shy. Come. Ta-da! This is the kitchen, guys. Obviously, everything is still gonna be pimped up. So there and there are my touches. So this is the first cupboard, ne? This one. We were thinking of turning it into stove, like change it, have stove here, or we're just gonna add another one here. We really not yet sure. It's fine. So this is the first cupboard, and then Nancy any cupboard. Nancy any. Obviously the cleaning is still gonna take place. We are on, and then the drawers bafazi, and then another space, ne? There's quite a fair space, guys, because given the fact that we also have space here, that is good. Fair enough, ne? This is fair. So yeah, guys, and then it's a double zinc, obviously. It was just a cozy. Okay, we didn't open this side, but yeah, we are going to pumang up. So guys, each unit has its own exit and entrance. So this entrance is for unit number 1, but we didn't open as fulanga. So again, another thing that I think it is important to mention, last is opula foot. We are the vision is to break, I think, from here or from here. Then sipule, so that it's gonna be an open plan. Maupuma from the kitchen, upuma directly to the dining room. Come, let me show you another thing. Guys, this is so interesting, ne? Oh, what a time to be living. So, lelibonda leli ngapha ne. Senza utwin wangapha. another kitchen. So lebonda leli sisezoliphula nalo, silimove a bit so that sizokhona uku-accommodate ispace sabo cupboard and stuff. Because nangapha ikitchen langapha kwamele lilingane nelangapha lenzi ikitchen, and they need to look alike because these are the twins bandas. Oh God! Oh, I have something nice and exciting. We also have our aircons bandas. Aircon number 1, 2, and then there is a third one up there, guys. So this aircon is in the living space, so it's gonna be left here. But obviously, this one is gonna relocate to the living space that side, because we can't have 2 in this side, and it only makes sense that the aircons must be in the living space, guys. The lux, it's giving lux. Come, let me show you the last thing. Then we're gonna have our bathroom, Lana. This is gonna be bathroom number 1 in unit number 2, and then bathroom on that space. Oh guys, because this is the pool bedroom. And then Lana, it's a shower. We're gonna use shower taps, so it's gonna be shower number 2. Guys, the truck of delivery just arrived, guys. So that is why you see me rushing. So we need to go and attend, guys. Someone must stand, Amos. Anyway, guys, and then Lana goes over to bedroom, obviously. This is gonna be bedroom, so it's gonna be 2 units, guys. This is gonna be a bedroom, and they're gonna be identical. So a bedroom, Lena, and then the living room, and also that side is gonna be in the kitchen. So yeah, guys, let us attend people, and then we're gonna come back very soon. Stay tuned.
Another breath and I seen another raindrop trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy, so I don't to see it.
She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up, you with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard.
Tomorrow.
Guys, the time is currently 10 o'clock. Siyakwethu. Guys, siyakwethu. Guys, anindivanga ndithe. The time is currently 10 o'clock, ne? Siyakwethu, because the truck has arrived to deliver another building material. Oh, guys.
Oh, labo lizophuma le phone. Okay. Yeah.
Easily. These are the tiles that we used on the stage. They are taken out very nicely, like they're gonna be reused, obviously. This is so beautiful. This is a good day two. This is our day two. This is how our day two look like. You remember the breaking that I told you about? It is done already. And then this is the division now. This is the division. You see, this is how the division is looking like so far. So yeah, I still the vision. I hope you do too. Hey guys, welcome to a new video. You guys, I'm not gonna open this video properly. However, guys, I am taking this video live in our own house. Guys, we just bought a house. So guys, we're gonna do renovations in this house. You gonna stick with us, and please don't skip the ads because we really need those coins. Angmazi guys, I really don't know. I think it's that fever or that feeling.
For the first time, LIV ube in a position whereby ungabi nalo muntu oyi-1 ozokukhuza ukuthi ungayenzi kanjalo lokhu uzobani ubani ozokukhuza ubakho la.
So you're doing as you please.
Uyenza akekho umuntu uwokhuza abantu.
Guys, ngicela nikhuze ngibhekene nento. Guys, ngidila nale into ke every day, but ke I think the feeling, guys, the fever. He was dancing just a few minutes ago. Ooh.
Yo, baby,
Oh, you're Paramada.
Baby.
Wenzela babo. Wenzela babo.
Namiphelele ibhalansi ngayiphe. Zokani.
A few inches later.
Mind on the loose, running freely. Though I could choose, it's not that easy. All the things I leave behind living for another life.
Ngifuna imali.
6 hours later.
Out for Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you.